Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into Crayo AI, an incredible AI tool that helps you generate content for YouTube Shorts, social media, blogs, and much more. We'll be focusing on Crayo's Brainstorm function, which allows you to come up with creative ideas in just seconds. Whether you're looking for new video concepts, social media posts, or even full blog topics, all you need to do is input a few prompts, and Crayo AI does the rest. It's fast, easy, and a real game changer for content creators. So let's explore how this AI can supercharge your creativity. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select AI Brainstorm to get started. You'll notice a prompt text box where you can either enter your chosen niche or pick from 6 predefined niches. Next, you'll choose a tone for your idea. Options include mystery, horror, funny, suspense, and action. After that, simply input your target audience and select your preferred idea type, such as story video, ChatGPT video, or split screen. If you're stuck on ideas, I highly recommend using ChatGPT to kickstart the brainstorming process. Let's head over to ChatGPT now to get started. Ask ChatGPT to list 10 profitable niches for making money online. You'll receive a diverse range of suggestions, including areas like personal finance and investing, health and fitness, e-commerce and dropshipping, and many more high-potential markets. Once you've got your niches, take it a step further by asking ChatGPT to provide 10 audience categories. You'll get an insightful breakdown that covers a wide variety of groups, from different age demographics to professionals, hobbies and interests, and even education levels. With these lists, you'll have a solid foundation to tailor your content, ensuring it aligns perfectly with a profitable niche and a well-defined target audience. Now, let's dive into how to apply this information. Next, copy the niche generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the topic niche prompt text box in Crayo AI. Then, return to ChatGPT, select one of the audience categories, and paste it into Crayo AI's target audience text box. After that, choose a tone for your ideas, whether it's suspenseful, funny, or action-packed, and select the type of content you'd like to create, such as a story video, ChatGPT video, or split screen. Once all these fields are completed, click Generate Ideas. It will then analyze your inputs and, within seconds, provide you with a list of tailored, engaging content ideas. This AI-driven process is designed to take the guesswork out of content creation, offering you fresh ideas based on real data and trends. Whether you're focused on YouTube, blogs, or social media, the ideas generated will be optimized for your target niche and audience. Plus, it adapts to your selected tone and content type, ensuring that each suggestion is relevant and in line with your creative goals. By leveraging Crayo AI, you can cut down on time spent brainstorming and dive straight into producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. You can keep clicking on Generate Ideas, and Crayo AI will continuously produce new, fresh content ideas with each click. The process is quick and seamless, making it an ideal tool for anyone struggling to come up with ideas or who needs content suggestions in a short amount of time. It's an efficient and user-friendly feature that streamlines the brainstorming process, helping you create with ease and speed. What's great about this is that the ideas are always unique, meaning you'll never run out of options. Whether you're working on multiple projects or just exploring different creative directions, Crayo AI adapts to your inputs and continues generating high-quality ideas in a variety of formats. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures that your content stays fresh, relevant, and tailored to your needs. For anyone looking to boost creativity or expedite their workflow, this is a game changer. If you're interested in trying out Crayo AI, you'll find a link in the description below. Simply click the link, create your free account, and start generating ideas instantly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.